One love, one heart, let's get together and feel all right. These lyrics, sung by the legendary Bob Marley, resonate deeply with the soul of Africa. They are more than just words, they are a call to action, a plea for unity and togetherness in a world that often seeks to divide us. They speak to our shared heritage, our interconnected destinies, and the immense power that lies dormant, waiting to be unleashed through unity. In every village, town, and city across this vast continent, the spirit of unity is a beacon of hope. Africa, a continent brimming with vibrant cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and a resilience forged in the fires of adversity, yearns for unity. Our lands are rich with history, our people are rich with stories, and our future is rich with potential. For too long we have been fragmented, our potential stifled by artificial borders and the echoes of a painful past. The scars of colonialism and the divisions it sowed still linger, but they do not define us. But within our diversity lies our strength. Our differences are not a weakness, but a source of richness and depth. When we come together, we create a mosaic of cultures, languages, and traditions that is unparalleled in its beauty and complexity. From the rolling savannas of the East to the majestic peaks of Kilimanjaro, our landscapes are as diverse as our people. Each region, each community, adds its unique thread to the fabric of Africa. From the bustling markets of Lagos to the serene beaches of Cape Town, the vibrancy of our cities and the tranquility of our natural wonders reflect the duality of our existence. Dynamic yet peaceful, modern yet deeply rooted in tradition. We are a tapestry woven with threads of resilience, creativity, and an unyielding spirit. Our artisans, our farmers, our entrepreneurs, and our leaders all contribute to this grand design. Each one of us has a role to play in the symphony of unity. Our music, our education, our innovations, they all sing the same song of unity. When we educate our children, we are investing in a future where unity is not just a dream, but a reality. When we create music, we are harmonizing our diverse voices into a single, powerful chorus. In our sports, in our celebrations, we see the embodiment of unity. Athletes from different backgrounds come together to compete, to celebrate, and to inspire. Festivals bring us together, reminding us of our shared humanity and our collective joy. Our leaders, both in the halls of power and in the heart of our communities, have the responsibility to foster this unity. Through dialogue, cooperation, and a shared vision, we can overcome the challenges that seek to divide us. As the sun rises over our diverse landscapes, it brings with it a new day, a new opportunity to come together. Let us embrace this chance to unite, to build a future where our differences are celebrated and our unity is our strength. Together we can plant the seeds of a brighter tomorrow. Together, we can create a world where every child, every community, and every nation thrives in harmony. This is our song of unity, and it is a song that will echo through the ages. Our continent is a symphony of languages, a kaleidoscope of traditions, a vibrant tapestry woven from the threads of over 3,000 distinct ethnic groups. This rich diversity, rather than dividing us, is the wellspring of our collective strength. It is in the sharing of our unique stories, our art, our music, and our dreams that we truly discover the power of our shared humanity. When we celebrate our differences, we pave the path towards understanding, empathy, and ultimately unity. Let us remember the words of the great Nelson Mandela. It always seems impossible until it's done. Africa's history is etched with the indelible marks of leaders who dared to dream of a united and liberated continent. Leaders like Kwame Nkrumah, with his unwavering belief in Pan-Africanism, and Julius Nyerere, who championed self-reliance and socialist ideals. These visionaries, though flawed in their humanity, lit a torch that continues to illuminate the path toward a brighter future. They remind us that leadership is not about power, but about service, about lifting others as we rise, about unwavering commitment to the collective good. Their legacy serves as a beacon, urging us to embrace their unwavering spirit, their commitment to justice, and their unwavering belief in the potential of a united Africa. From the shores of Algeria, where the waves whisper tales of ancient struggles and modern triumphs, to the heart of South Africa, a land that has seen the rise and fall of empires and the indomitable spirit of its people, Africa's story is one of resilience and resistance. It is a narrative woven with the threads of countless lives, each contributing to a tapestry of hope and determination. We have stared down colonialism, fought tirelessly for independence, and in doing so, we have written chapters of courage and defiance. We dismantled the oppressive system of apartheid, a monumental victory that reverberated around the world. These victories, hard-won and soaked in the blood and tears of our ancestors, are not just historical milestones. They are the lifeblood of our identity, standing as testaments to our collective strength, our unyielding spirit, and our unwavering belief in freedom. These moments of triumph, celebrated in the streets and in the hearts of our people, remind us of the power of unity and the importance of standing together. They remind us that change is possible, that the dreams of a few can become the reality of many, that even in the face of insurmountable odds, courage and collective action can shatter the shackles of oppression. The stories of our liberation movements, filled with moments of despair and hope, teach us that the fight for justice is never in vain. Each protest, each march, each act of defiance adds to the legacy of those who came before us. The spirit of these movements lives on, urging us to never take our freedoms for granted, to cherish the hard-won liberties that define our nations, to continue the fight for equality, to ensure that every voice is heard and every person is valued, and to dismantle the vestiges of injustice wherever they may linger. Our journey is far from over, but with the lessons of the past and the strength of our unity, we move forward with hope and determination. The unfinished symphony challenges on the path to progress. Yet the path to progress is rarely smooth, and Africa still grapples with challenges that threaten to impede our collective advancement. Poverty, conflict, corruption, and climate change cast long shadows over our continent. We must acknowledge these challenges, not with despair, but with a renewed determination to overcome them. For within each challenge lies an opportunity for innovation, for collaboration, and for forging a future where every African can thrive. The time has come to move beyond rhetoric and translate our aspirations into tangible actions. The power of one, the strength of many unity as our guiding light. In the vast and diverse landscapes of Africa, from the rolling savannas to the bustling cities, there is a common thread that binds us all together. Our greatest resource, however, lies not beneath our soil but within our people. It is the smiles of our children, the wisdom of our elders, and the dreams of our youth that hold the true wealth of our continent. It lies in the power of unity. When we come together, sharing our strengths and supporting one another, we create a force that is unstoppable. For when we stand together, hand in hand, shoulder to shoulder, we become a beacon of hope and resilience. Our unity is a testament to our shared values and our collective spirit. There is no challenge we cannot overcome. Whether it is building schools, creating sustainable agriculture, or fostering innovation, our united efforts pave the way for progress and prosperity. Let us remember the words of the great Chinua Achebe, a literary giant who captured the essence of our shared humanity. Where one thing stands, another will stand beside it. This profound wisdom reminds us that we are never alone in our journey. We must embrace the understanding that our destinies are intertwined, that our fates are linked in a delicate balance. Our individual successes are inextricably linked to the well-being of our neighbors, our communities, and our continent. It is through collaboration and mutual support that we can achieve greatness. By working together, we can overcome any obstacle and turn our dreams into reality. It is in unity that we will find the strength to build a brighter future for generations to come. Let us hold on to this guiding light, nurturing it with love, compassion, and unwavering determination. Together, we can create a legacy of hope and prosperity for all. Answering the call, a new generation of leaders. This is a call to action, a clarion call that echoes across the plains, through the valleys, and over the mountaintops of our beloved Africa. It is a call for a new generation of leaders to rise. Not leaders who seek power and privilege, but servant leaders cut from the cloth of empathy, integrity, and an unwavering commitment to the collective good. Leaders who understand that their purpose is to serve the people, to empower the marginalized, and to create a future where every African can reach their full potential. The future of Africa rests in your hands. A future forged in unity, envisioning a brighter tomorrow. Imagine an Africa where the artificial lines drawn on maps no longer divide us. An Africa where our economies are interconnected, our resources shared equitably, and our collective knowledge propels us to the forefront of innovation. Imagine an Africa where education is accessible to all, healthcare is a right, not a privilege, and poverty becomes a distant memory. An Africa where peace reigns, where democracy thrives, and where every citizen has the opportunity to live a life filled with dignity, purpose, and hope. This is the Africa we must strive to create. Rise, Africa, rise, a continent awakened. This is our time, Africa. The time has come to shed the remnants of our colonial past, to embrace our shared heritage, and to forge a new path towards unity, prosperity, and lasting peace. Rise, Africa, rise. Let your voice be heard on the world stage, not as a continent seeking aid, but as a continent leading the way towards a more just, equitable, and sustainable future for all. Rise, Africa, rise.